Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a holiday makeup look, and it's gonna be not complicated but a little bit out of my comfort zone. We're gonna do a little design, like candy cane design, that goes like up on my forehead and down one eye. So we'll see how that goes. First thing I'm gonna get started on is doing my eyebrows. I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow. This is in the shade number 5. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my Norvina palette. I'm taking this red, and I'm also going to be using this, so it's C2 and C3, and I'm going to do a cut crease. So I'm going to go with the deeper red, C2, around the outside, and then on the inside is going to be like my base. To prime my eyelid, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Fawn, but I might actually go in with pure beige so it can be like a brighter pigmented red. So I'm going to show you guys what silver I used, but I'm not going to really say the palette just because I don't really care for this person. I got this as a gift. So if you recognize the palette, good for you. But I'm going to be, this was the silver that I used. It's called Custom Rims. I'm going to finish up, basically I put mascara on and I put eyeliner on already. And the eyeliner that I'm using is this Wet n Wild Kohl. And then I'm going to be going in with the Benefit Cosmetics Fanfest mascara. Okay, I'm going to be taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Pure Beige, and I'm going to just outline a candy cane. It's not going to go through my eye, but like it's going to start like right here, go up, stop right here, and then go down. And I'm going to use eyeshadow instead of like eyeliner to do this, and then I'll just clean it up with like what's it called, like Miceller Water in a Q-tip. Okay, I'm going to go in with the Norvina purple palette, and I'm going to take D3 and C1, and I'm just going to fill in the candy cane part. Alright, so I cleaned this up and I think it looks pretty good. Now I just have to finish it up with my face. I'm going in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and this is my go-to recently. It's pretty good. I actually like using this a lot, including like their foundation that they... I forgot that I had something on my face. Let's not rub my face like that. But yeah, including their foundation, I do enjoy that product. It's like, it makes my skin like really, really good. Let me fix my eyeshadow that I just messed up. But at least it wasn't too bad. That's so embarrassing. Okay, I'm gonna go in with LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to highlight my eyes, but like not too much because I can't really do it on this side because I don't want to like mess up that. But I just want to get the areas that I normally get so it doesn't look like too like bland. As this sits, I'm going to be using the Daizshanae Beauty Skin Suede Melting Bronze Balm, and this is in shade Maple. So I'm putting lashes on. I'm using my lashes, and this is M39. I can't remember what name I'm gonna put this as, but I'm also using the Kiss 3D adhesive, and I just go in and I put glue on top of my lid, and I also put glue on the lash, and then once it dries clear on my lid, then I put it on here. Put the lash onto my eye. And I'm also gonna go back in with this red shade that I use for the candy cane. It's D3, and I don't know, it's the purple Norvina palette. And I'm just going to like shadow, put some shadowing on my under eye, like, sorry, my waterline, and so it like brings the look all together. Okay, for my lips, I'm gonna go in with the same combo as like last time. This is the Maybelline in shade 845, and I'm just going to line around my lips, and then I'm gonna go in with the Sephora Always Red. They're just Sephora collection matte lipstick. this is the final look. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I actually got this candy cane to look good. At first it was looking rough and I was like, this is not gonna go well. But yeah, I'm gonna try out some more creative looks soon. I don't know why I've been delaying that. You know, we get tired of the same thing, but yeah, I'm super proud of this. Make sure you subscribe so you can see more videos like this, and comment down below what's your favorite holiday. Bye!